It's easy to say that Apple has the best looking screensavers of any device, and I like them so much that I wanted it on my MacBook Pro, and I'm going to show you exactly how I installed this so that when I go into screensaver mode here, you can see that I have Apple TV wallpapers on my computer. It's really nice, and a lot of people have been asking me about this, so I want to show you exactly how I do it. You can do this with an Intel Mac, you can do this with an Apple Silicon Mac on Mac M1 processors. So let's get into it. First, you're going to go to the Arial Companion app website, which I have linked down below. Once you're on there, go ahead and click download and open that downloaded file until it asks you to move the Arial Companion app into your applications folder. Once it's in your applications folder, go ahead and double click on the Arial Companion app, hit open to allow your Mac to get through the security wall, and then once it opens up, you'll see this icon in the top menu bar. From here, go ahead and open settings, and you'll be able to set up your Arial wallpaper for the first time. It's going to be in the bottom here of your settings, and when you click on screensaver options, you'll get the Arial settings display. It's going to ask you how you want to set up your wallpapers based on time and location, if you want bright or dark wallpapers, things of that sort, and then you can scroll through all of the various options here. For instance, if I want this Avalon wallpaper, I can click to download that, or I can go into various sources such as tvOS 13 wallpapers, and I can download Barracuda. So I'm going to hit the download button here, and once it downloads, I'll be able to set this as my wallpaper. What's really cool is we can also control our overlays by going here into settings, then overlays, and we can have our battery percentage, we can have some sort of message, clock, timer, etc. So I'm going to go ahead and turn on battery. So I'm simply going to enable this, and I want my battery to be in the bottom right corner. Now when I close and I turn on my screensaver, we'll see that we'll have the battery in the bottom right corner. It's showing 62%, and we have the Barracuda Apple TV wallpaper installed on the Mac. If you want to set up hot corners like I have on my computer, in settings under screensavers, we are going to go to hot corners, which is the option right here. Then we're going to select, so the bottom left will be start screensaver. You can make it any corner you want. And then when you put your mouse into that corner, it will go into screensaver mode. And there we go. We have Dubai loaded up on the Mac. We have that Apple tvOS wallpaper. And of course, we have it running on Apple TV. You can put this on any Mac that you like. Hope that helps. Enjoy your new screensaver.